the shop was not far. When we arrived, I saw tons of clean feet. That's when I met her, a mechanic named Jess. When she asked me to...
Oh, I'm starting kind of late. It's 10:30. I'm trying to guzzle the 8 a.m. and 10 a.m. so at least I can get ahead a little bit. The ice makes it a little difficult. I put way too much ice, but hey, it is what it is. Day one. Gosh, and I'm still nowhere. Started this journey a couple days ago. This is the original jug that I would normally drink out of, but it gets really heavy with all of this water. It holds 128 ounces, so it is 2 of these basically. And then putting ice in this and putting it in the fridge is such a pain. So I just ordered a smaller one from Amazon. All right, time to guzzle. You guys can see that, but I'm right here. Almost. That's what we gotta do around here, to chug 64 ounces. Like, that's just what we gotta be hype about. Oh. I feel like my stomach is about to explode. My stomach is so tight right now. But your girl did it. Okay, so this is my round 2. Not gonna drink anymore right now. Well, you know what? Fuck it, let's do it. See? Peed all last night. Like, I really didn't sleep good at all because I was up and down, in and out the bed, going to the bathroom. So I'm gonna try to finish this before 6 o'clock today, because I finished it last night at 8 and it just didn't work for me. So it's a mental thing. Like, once you get your head around drinking 128 ounces so I'm eating my first meal today, which is a salad. I normally don't eat until like 3 o'clock, and that's my only meal throughout the day, but I'm extremely hungry right now, so I'm just going to eat early. Excuse me. Only thing I put in my So the only thing that I put in my salad, I had to run to the grocery store real quick, and I wasn't able to finish out the water, and it's 5:15. Like, hey baby, it's 5:15. Like, it's no way I'm going to be able to finish my second jug without having to get up several times throughout the middle of the night and piss. And like, I don't really know if I'm going to do the 2 or not. I feel like I need to. Even if I only get half in, I feel like I need to stick to it instead of like not wanting to do it. I know. Yeah, you telling me to go ahead and do it? Okay, well she just told me to go ahead and do it, so I'm gonna do it. Here we go. I'm trying to drink this water, but I don't want it, so I'm trying to get through this whole thing. Okay, let me finish. We got this little bit going on. Y'all hear her? Okay. You know what? I'm just not gonna do it. Like, I'll probably regret it in the long run, but so I finished 64 ounces today. I did not do the 128 ounces, but I'll make sure I do it tomorrow. This is day 3. It's getting a little easier, but it's still an everyday process. So it's 9:20. We felt to the top. Let's go. I'm also noticing that my urine is super clear. Like, I've never had dark urine anyways, but girl, it's like crystal clear. So that's a good thing. I feel like my skin is starting to rebuild, I guess. I don't even know if that's the word I want to use, but I am peeling, so I don't know if that's just like dead skin See, and I am now down to right above the 8 p.m. mark, which is 500 milliliters. So I'm going to kill this and start on my second jug. And this is how much water I have left. I'm right at the 8 o'clock mark, so I'm going to go ahead and finish this off. Wasn't able to get it done by 6, but hey, it's better to get it done than to not get it done. So I don't even know what day this is. Whatever. But it's 9:37. It's September 10th, and just got done walking my 2 miles, and now it's time to start on the water. Okay guys, it's 4:22 and I am pretty much finished with the first jug. Just got a little bit more to go, but I'm pretty much done. So I'm gonna go ahead. Oh, wait a minute. Don't get carried away. It's gonna be another pissy night. Whew, honey. Oh, I feel like I gotta piss again. See y'all in a little bit. I'll see how much I can get done today, but I'm not gonna really be pressed about it if I don't finish the whole thing, even though that's the goal. But the 64 ounce is the real goal. Anything beyond that is pretty much extra. So so I'm gonna try to finish this, but if I don't, that's okay. Where is my phone? Guys, so I'm starting late today. 9:55, September 11th. Oh shit, I'm tired. So yeah, yesterday I wasn't able to okay, hold on. Yesterday I wasn't able to finish my second 64 ounce, so today I'm just going to start from yesterday. I'm not even gonna refill. Okay, so I actually got a head start at the 10 a.m. so really today I need to be done with this by 1. Hey guys, it is September 12th. It is 4 o'clock. Okay, so it's 7:54, still September 12th, and almost done. Almost done. And I'm done. So I'm back. Today is Sunday, September 13th. It's 1:54, pretty much 2 o'clock. So even though I'm starting at 2 o'clock today, I'm still going to aim for 128 ounces. I don't know how I'm gonna do it, but I'm gonna do it. Well, I know how I'm gonna do it, but I'm just gonna have to, you know, sacrifice and just piss all night, period. Like, that's just what I'm gonna have to do, because yesterday I dropped the ball. I wasn't able to do, you know, the 128 ounces, so I don't want to slack on 2 days. I'll start to feel really, really bad on myself, and I feel like I have gotten better as the days go on, and I just want to keep that up. I'm still excited about this journey. I'm still determined about this journey. That's why I am still going so strong on the water. But I tell you what, I'm gonna try to be done. I'm gonna try to be done with this by 4 o'clock. I think I can do it. I really think I can do it. So I think I'm gonna try to be done by 4. I don't know. We're just gonna try it and see. That's it. Oh my God. I'm not even at the 8 o'clock mark yet. Oh God, and here I go thinking I'm doing something, and Lord behold, girl, you ain't did nothing. Good morning. Just a recap from yesterday. I was not able to do the 128 ounces. I was just way too far behind, and then trying to work, and then trying to do meal prep for the entire week. I got overwhelmed, and I was only able to finish the 64 ounces. So I didn't remember to get on camera and update you guys, because over the weekend there's so much going on with my schedule. But hey baby, on my second 64 ounce, it is 6:30. I didn't show you guys the time earlier, but it's 6:30. Starting pretty late for my second jug, but like I said, I am not doing the 64 ounce today, even if that means I have to drink this bad boy later today. It's just, you know, not doing 128 ounces is just not an option for me today, especially because I didn't do it yesterday. So definitely holding myself accountable. Sorry, water stain. I want to be very transparent with you guys. So if I failed one day, or I wasn't able to complete the goal for the day, I want you guys to see that. If I was able to complete my goal or succeed that day, I want you guys to see that as well, just so that you get a better glimpse into what it's really like for me. I'm trying to drink 128 ounces, being a pretty much a new mom at home, living through COVID, being a business owner, trying to manage like social media and YouTube and all this other stuff, and then taking care of a going blind dog. Like, life is really happening right now. So I just wanted to be as transparent as possible. So I am pretty much at the 1750 mark right here, and I'm just about to chug. Okay, it's 7:45, and I got 500 milliliters left. So I'm about to finish up my second jug for the day, and I'll be back to start it all over again tomorrow. Super duper late today on my water. It is September 15th. It's 2:23. I'm starting so late because today I closed on another home, and I was at closing from like 10 to 11. I had to go check out the new house. I had to do another walkthrough. So I've been up since 7 o'clock this morning, and I just haven't had the time to even drink water. Here is the water. I did fill it up at 2:15, and just remember that I needed to film to show you guys that I am getting it done today. I'm just getting it done extremely late. Honestly guys, last night, even though I got done pretty late, I didn't piss all night. So I'm thinking that my body is starting to adjust to all of the water intake. I don't know, but I like it. It's 5:18. You guys can't see that. So it's 5:18, second 64 ounce. I am really proud of myself right now. Like, I am having a proud moment. Considering I started so late today and it's not even 6 o'clock and I'm already on my second jug. Like 2 days ago, I couldn't even do that. Like, I had so much going on. Mentally, I wasn't here. So I am so proud of myself right now. Okay, so 64 ounce, second jug. Hey guys, so it is pretty late. See that? But it's 10:55 and I wasn't able to finish the entire 64 ounces, but I was able to get down to 500 milliliters. So I'm gonna just stop here for tonight and then I'll pick back up in the morning. But good morning, it is 9:21, September 16th, and as I stated late last night, I wasn't able to finish the 500 milliliters, so I'm going to finish that right now before I get started with the 64 ounces. All right, I finished this. Let me fill it up and I'll be right back. All right, got the 64 ounces filled to the top. It is 9:25, so I'm gonna go ahead and start on this. The goal today is still 128 ounces, so I feel like I can get it done today. All right, it's 4:23 and I am getting ready to start on my second 64 ounce. I'm pretty much at the 350 mark, so I'm gonna go ahead and finish this up and then I will move on to my second 64 ounce.